The QT4-18 automatic hydraulic concrete block making machine is a versatile, compact, and high-performing hydraulic block making machine that is popular for producing a wide range of concrete blocks, including standard hollow blocks, solid blocks, and color paver bricks. The QT4-18 block making machine is an affordable option well suited to small and medium-sized investors seeking to establish a concrete block production line. The machine's changeable molds allow for flexible block production, enabling the creation of custom sizes and shapes. The machine is capable of producing up to 6,400 pieces of 8-inch hollow blocks per 8-hour shift, making it an optimal choice for those looking to start or expand a concrete block business with a reliable quality and ease of operation.